Good morning, Robo.
Good morning, Emma.
Welcome to the city.
Wow, everything looks beautiful.
Today, I will show you my city.
I can't wait!
Come with me. Robo, look over there.
Wow, those buildings are very tall. Yes, that is a big word.
You are learning fast.
Thank you, Emma.
Robo, stop here.
Why?
The light is red.
Oh, I understand.
We wait.
Waiting is safe.
Yes, we cross when the light is green.
I will remember that.
Look, Robo. The light is green now.
Great! We can cross the street.
Let's walk carefully. Good job. Always look left and right. Exactly. Robo, look! This is a coffee shop.
A coffee shop?
Yes, people come here for coffee and snacks.
It smells wonderful.
Would you like to go inside?
Yes, please!
Robo, look! This is a coffee shop.
A coffee shop?
Yes, people come here for coffee and snacks.
It smells wonderful. Yes, please.
Hello.
Hello. 2 chocolate cookies, please.
Of course. Anything to drink?
2 hot chocolates, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here you are.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Enjoy your cookies.
They look delicious.
They smell amazing.
Let's find a table. Good idea. Here is your cookie, Robo.
Thank you, Emma.
Take a small bite.
Okay. It is sweet. Do you like it?
Yes, it is delicious. This is hot chocolate.
It smells very nice.
Be careful, it is hot.
I understand. I will drink slowly.
Good job, Robo.
Thank you, Emma.
You're welcome.
Emma, look!
What do you see? I see water.
Yes.
That is a fountain. It is beautiful. Let's go and see it.
Great!
This is a fountain.
It is very beautiful.
Yes, the water is clean.
I like the sound.
The water is moving.
It looks peaceful.
Do you like the city?
Yes, I love it.
Robo, look at these flowers. They are beautiful. This is a red rose. Can you smell it?
Yes, nature is amazing. I like flowers.
Robo, look at the ducks.
They are swimming. Yes, they swim together.
They look happy.
Quack,
Can you hear them?
quack, quack.
That's right, they are so cute. Robo, do you like ice cream?
I have never tried it.
Today is your lucky day.
Really?
Yes. Let's choose a flavor.
I choose chocolate.
Here is your chocolate ice cream.
Thank you.
Be careful, it is cold.
I know. I will eat slowly.
Enjoy your ice cream.
Thank you, Emma.
You're welcome.
Emma, look. What is that?
That is a squirrel.
A squirrel?
Yes, it is looking for food.
It is very cute.
Let's watch quietly.
Okay.
Robo, look down.
Wow, I see fish.
Yes, they are swimming. They are colorful. They are koi fish.
Koi fish. Koi fish. They are beautiful. Emma,
Yes, a musician is playing.
the music is beautiful.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
Let's listen for a moment. I feel happy. Me too. Robo, look at the city.
Wow, the view is amazing.
Yes,
This is my favorite place. I can see everything.
I'm happy you like it. Robo, this is a shopping street.
There are many stores.
Yes, people come here every day. I like the flowers. Robo, this is a bookstore.
A bookstore?
Yes, we can buy books here.
I like books.
Books help us learn.
I want to read English books.
That's a great idea. Robo, look at this book. It has many pictures. Yes, pictures help us learn. I like this book. Let's read together.
I am ready.
Learning is fun.
Yeah.
Robo, look at the clock.
I see it.
What time is it?
It is 4 o'clock.
Excellent. You are learning quickly.
Thank you for teaching me.
You're doing great. Robo, look up.
I see many kites. Yes, they are flying in the wind.
They look beautiful. Would you like to fly a kite?
Yes, I would. Let's do it together.
Robo, this is an ice cream shop.
Wow, I like ice cream.
This is vanilla,
Vanilla.
and this is chocolate.
Chocolate.
Which one do you like?
I like chocolate.
Hold the string.
Like this?
Yes. Now run slowly.
Okay, the kite is flying.
Great job, Robo. This is so much fun. I'm happy for you. Robo, look at the fountain.
Wow! It is beautiful.
The water comes down again.
Splash.
Do you like the fountain?
Yes, I love it.
Wonderful. Robo, look at the sky.
Wow.
The sun is setting.
The sky is beautiful.
What colors do you see?
Orange, pink, and purple. I love the sunset.
Me too. Robo, you did a great job today. What did you learn today?
I learned many new words.
I am proud of you.
Goodbye, everyone.
Today was a wonderful day.
I learned many new words. You did an amazing job.
Thank you for helping me. Goodbye, everyone.